Hello dear student, in part 4, unit 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure, we will cover following contents: hybridization, types of hybridization, other example of sp3, sp2 and sp hybridization in organic compounds, and hybridization of element involving d orbitals. So let's see, understand all these types of hybridization with suitable examples. Hybridization. So what is hybridization? Previously used to explain some of the shape of molecule in Vesper theory. It means valence shell electron repulsion. It This theory explains the shape of the molecule but does not explain the angle between the bonded atoms with central metal atom. In hybridization, the theory was says atom bonded molecule will undergo structural changes and then valence level atomic orbitals. So the atomic orbitals level converted into new set of orbitals called hybrid orbital, and then hybrid orbitals will have some characteristic original atomic orbital but differs somewhat in shape. So we can define as the hybridization is the phenomena of intermixing of atomic orbitals with slightly different energy to form new hybrid orbitals an equal energy and identical shape, and this new orbital is known as hybrid orbitals. sp hybridization. In sp hybridization, 1s and 1p orbital intermix and form two new sp hybrid orbital. So this hybrid orbital make bond to another atoms and form molecule. For example, BeCl2. So here beryllium is a central metal atom. Let's see the electronic configuration in ground state. Beryllium atomic number is 4 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2. So its valence shell electron is 2. In ground state, we can write the electron in 2s orbital. At that condition, beryllium is not able to form bond, but in excited state, electron jump in higher energy level. It means 2p orbital, and that condition beryllium able to form two bond with chlorine atom. So 1s and 1p orbital hybridize and make two sp hybrid orbital half filled atomic orbitals, and in this half filled atomic orbital other atoms like chlorine can form bond and make a molecule. So in this way, this hybrid orbital chlorine atom, one chlorine atom overlap and form BCl2 molecule. So this is the central metal atom beryllium, and two chlorine atom make bond with beryllium, and barium chloride molecule is formed. So it is linearly arranged, so its bond angle is 180 and geometry is linear. Next type of hybridization is sp2 hybridization. In this hybridization, 1s and 2p orbitals px and pz orbital intermix and form three new sp2 hybrid orbital, and this hybrid orbital arranged in a planar trigonal planar, and its angle between two hybrid orbital is 120 degree. For example, BF3. Here boron is a central metal atom. When we see the electronic configuration of boron is 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1. So its ground state electron is fulfilled into its valence shell electron 2s is paired electron is present, and in 2p one electron is half filled electron is present. So at ground state it is not able to form 3 bond with fluorine. So in excited state electron jump in p orbital, and uh, half filled or electron is present in 1s and 2p orbital. This orbital are intermix and form 3 new sp2 hybrid orbital, and that this condition boron is able to form 3 bond with fluorine and make a molecule BF3, and this molecule arranged in a plane trigonal planar structure is formed, and its angle between two bonded atom is 120 degree. So its geometry is trigonal planar and angle is 120 degree. Next type of hybridization is sp3 hybridization. In this hybridization, 1s and 3p orbitals, px, py, pz orbitals, all 4 orbitals are intermixed and form new 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals, and these hybrid orbitals arrange in a space 3-dimensionally and make a tetrahedral structure, and then angle for between two hybrid orbital is 109 8 minute. For example, CS3 methane. Here the central metal atom is carbon. When we see the electronic configuration of carbon, atomic number of carbon is 6, and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So at ground state electron is paired, and in hybridization we required half filled electron in orbitals. So when we electron jump in a higher energy level in excited state, so one s 2s electron jump in a next pz orbital and make a unpaired electron, and this all 4 orbitals intermix and make a new 4 hybrid orbital sp3, and that condition carbon is able to form 4 bond with hydrogen and form CH4 molecule, and this CH4 molecule arranged in a space 3-dimensionally tetrahedral structure. So this is the carbon and form 4 bond with hydrogen, and its geometry is tetrahedral, and then bond angle between two bonded atom is 109 degree 8 minute. So its regular geometry in sp3 hybridization is tetrahedral and angle is 109 8 minute. Other examples of sp3 hybridization, for example, NH3 molecule. In NH3 molecule, nitrogen is a central metal atom. Here nitrogen is a central metal atom, and nitrogen form 3 bonds with hydrogen, and one lone pair electron is present. This is the non-bonded electrons. It is also called lone pair electron. So therefore the presence of lone pair electron, its regular geometry is distorted, and the geometry becomes pyramidal. Next example of sp3 hybridization is water, H2O. So here central metal atom is oxygen. Oxygen bond form with 2 bond form with hydrogen and 2 lone pair electron, and we can also say the non-bonded electron is present. So the presence of 2 lone pair electron, its geometry is distorted, its regular geometry tetrahedral distorted and form bend shape. So next example is CH4, C2H, C2H6. This is the organic compound. In this organic compound, sp3 hybridization is occur. Here, two carbon atom is sp3 hybridized, and this hybridized orbital form 3 bond with hydrogen and 1 bond form with carbon. So its 4 valency is satisfied. Similarly, second carbon 3 bond form with hydrogen and 1 bond is formed with carbon. So in this way, one carbon atom form 4 bond, and so therefore its hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Next, sp2 hybridization in organic compound, for example C2H4 ethylene. In this ethylene molecule, 2 carbon atom is present, and this 2 carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. So here 3 sp2 hybrid orbital is present and 1 unhybridized orbital is present. So this 3 hybrid orbital bond formed, and 1 carbon atom form 2 bond with hydrogen and form sigma bond, and 1 bond form with other carbon atom. Here also sigma bond is formed. Similarly, other carbon atom bond form with hydrogen s orbital. Here also sigma bond is formed with hydrogen, and unhybrid orbitals are laterally overlap to each other and form pi bond. So in this way, the molecule structure having 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond is formed, and other sigma bond formed with hydrogen. So in this way, in organic compound hybridization is occur. So each carbon is sp2 hybridized. Next example of sp hybridization in organic compound is C2H2. This is alkyne. So in this alkyne molecule, 2 carbon atom is sp hybridized. So each carbon atom having 2 sp hybridized orbital is present. So one hybrid orbital bond form with hydrogen with s orbital and form sigma bond. Similarly, other carbon atom also form bond with hydrogen with s orbital, and second hybrid orbital overlap to other carbon of hybrid orbital and form sigma bond, and having 2 unhybridized orbitals in each carbon atom, they are overlap laterally and form pi bond. So when we see the line structure of alkyne molecule, make first sigma bond and form 2 pi bonds with unhybridized orbital. So in this way, the triple bond is formed with between 2 carbon atom and 1 sigma bond formed with hydrogen. So alkyne molecule, each carbon atom is sp hybridized. Next hybridization is sp3 hybridization, in which d orbital is involved. So for example, PCl5. So in this PCl5 molecule, phosphorus is a central metal atom. When we see the electronic configuration in ground state, here sp 3s 2 electron is present. In 3p 3 electron is present. So in its ground state it is not able to form 5 bond. So in excited state, electron jump in a d orbital and form 5 half filled unpaired electron, and this 5 orbital intermix and form new hybrid orbital, 5 new hybrid orbital, and then phosphorus able to form 5 bond with chlorine atom. And this molecule arranged in a space 3 dimensionally trigonal planar tetrahedral. So here 3 chlorine atom arranged in a plane trigonally, and 2 chlorine atom form bond with above the plane, and 1 chlorine atom bond form below the plane. So in this way, this PCl5 molecule trigonal bipyramidal structure is formed, and its angle between this axial and equatorial plane 90 degree, and equatorial bonds is 120 degree. So two type of bond angle is formed in this molecule. So when we see the Lewis structure, this 5 chlorine atom bond form with phosphorus and make a trigonal bipyramidal structure. Next hybridization involving d orbital is sp3d2 hybridization. In this hybridization, d orbital 2d orbital is involved. For example, SF6. So here central metal atom is sulfur. When we see the electronic configuration, valence cell electronic configuration of sulfur is 3s2 and 3p4. So here only 2 orbital is half filled. In that condition, sulfur is not able to form 6 bond with fluorine. So this electron goes higher energy level, electron jump in a d orbitals, and this 6 orbitals 1s and 3p and 2d orbitals intermix and make new 6 hybrid orbitals. sp3d2 6 hybrid orbital make, and this 6 hybrid orbital bond with fluorine atom and make a SF6 molecule, and this molecule arranged in a space octahedrally, and this it is the structure of SF6. Here 4 fluorine atom arranged in a plane, and this is the central metal atom sulfur, and 1 fluorine atom arranged in a above the plane, and 1 fluorine atom arranged in a below the plane. Here angle is formed 90 degree. So in sp3 hybridization, geometry is octahedral and angle is 90 degree. Let's summarize all type of hybridization in this table. First hybridization is sp hybridization. In this hybridization, 2 new sp hybrid orbital is formed, and this hybrid orbital arranged in linear, and its angle is 180 degree. And other example of sp hybridization is b beryllium fluoride and mercurous chloride. Next type of hybridization is sp2 hybridization. In this hybridization, 1s and 2p orbitals are intermix and form 3 new sp2 hybrid orbital, and this hybrid orbital arranged in trigonal planary, and angle form is 120 degree. Example of this hybridization is BF3 and SO3, sulfur trioxide and boron fluoride. Next hybridization is sp3 hybridization. In this hybridization, 1s and 3p orbital intermix and form 4 new sp3 hybrid orbitals, and this hybrid orbital arranged in a space tetrahedrally and angle formed between the hybrid orbital is 109.8 5 minutes. Examples of that type of hybridization is CH4, methane, ammonia, water, and NH4. Next is hybridization is involved in a d orbital sp3d. In this hybridization, one s 3p and 1d orbital intermix and form 5 new sp3d hybrid orbital, and this hybrid orbital arrange diagonal bipyramidally, and in equatorial plane the angle formed between the hybrid orbital is 120, and then axial bond angle is 90 degree. Example of the type of hybridization is PF5, SF4, and boron trifluoride. This is the interhalogen compound. Next type of hybridization is sp3d2. So in this hybridization, 1s3p and 2d orbital is intermix and form new 6 sp3d2 hybrid orbital, and this hybrid orbital arrange octahedrally, and angle is formed between two hybrid orbital is 90 degree. Examples of that type of hybridization is SF6, ClF5, it means chlorine pentafluoride, it is also interhalogen compound, and then xenon tetrafluoride and phosphorus hexafluoride. Example of this sp3d2 hybridization.